Yo guys, so today we're going to learn how to make a CV. So I'm gonna be using these apps. So for today, I'm gonna start with Canva. As of today, we're gonna start using Canva. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna go on our Google. Wherever we use your Google, you can take to Google here, and then we're going to all cruise shops, right? All cruise shops. Type on your Google, it will take you to all cruise shop, this website. So today we're gonna click here, gonna click the link, and then we go through inside. So let it open. I think my network is a little bit slow. Don't mind, don't kill me, guys. So you can create a profile if you don't have on all cruise shops. This is where you're gonna see the jobs: cruise ship jobs, housekeeping, galley attendant, and everything. You see all these kind of jobs here, all these jobs going all the way down. These are a whole lot of stuff, guys. Let's work on this. So what we're gonna do is this: we want to go and apply for a chef deputy position, right? So let me go here on restaurant jobs, and then the ad is going to pop up, but don't mind, you can just close it. You can just click close it, and then if it's redirecting somewhere, don't worry. Okay, so I want to look for I think you clicked the wrong thing. Let's go back. Okay, so what I want to do is this. Not that much waitress and stuff, no. Okay, let's just go in waitress, since a lot of people, they might want to be waiters and all those kind of stuff. So after this, there's this one for waiters, celebrity cruises. I want to look for something that is normal, right? So this one is for Seaborn. Okay, we click Seaborn, and then if you want to apply, so we want to get rid of these things here. There's something that is very important here. We have to have to use, you know what I mean. So what I'm gonna do here, you need to read the job description, right? The way responsible for guest education and everything and all this kind of stuff, right? And then the key responsibilities, qualifications, experience, knowledge and skills, USPH and others. Okay, so we want to take it's obvious you need to be physical and the passport valid for 6 months and all that. So we want to make sure we got this right? So we want to take the key responsibilities here, right? So what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm gonna copy these things, right? The key responsibilities, I'm gonna copy them all. These are the things that we're going to use to create our CV today, right? So I'm gonna copy and then exit, and then I'll go to Google. So on my Google here, what I'm gonna do is gonna come and type chat GPT. Yeah, it is. And then I'll just click here and go to chat GPT. So what I'm gonna do here is to come and paste those things, right? And then I'll ask GPT to say, can you help to make a cruise ship CV for a waiter position with the information provided, right? And then we say send. Yes, I can craft you a cruise ship with a different distribution. I'll format it clean and professional style. That cruise line. Okay, sister Fatima, sign yourself and all that. Profile dedicated and all that. So this is what we're gonna start. We want to start with this one, right? So I want to take this one first. This is objective, right? Profile, sort of an that's our objective, right? And then we copy also this one. So what I'm gonna do is here, after this I'll exit and then go to where to what do you call it, Canva. So we're gonna be using Canva today, this one, right? Gonna click Canva. So when I'm done opening Canva, it will take me through here. So if I click on templates here, I'll be able to see the ones that I've been using before, because I'm also a graphic designer, right? So I'll just click templates. If you don't have, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll send you my templates, the ones that I use. So for today, I'm going to use this one. Okay, customize this template. This is where you come and click here where it's saying customize this template here. This is where you click, right? So I'm gonna click here, customize this template, and it's gonna take us there where we're supposed to start, right? So first thing we have to do is to zoom, and then you bring this thing closer. We want to change the picture. If we click on the picture like this, it will show you a button down here that says replace, and then you come and click what? Replace. So after clicking replace, it's gonna take you to your gallery, whatever, and then from there you can go on your photos or something. Okay, let me go on this one, right? Uploads. Oh, okay. Let me choose this one, right? Done. So if you want to make it clear, to look clear, what you're gonna do here, you come and click crop. Okay, so on crop you'll be able to position it properly like this. You'll be able to move it to come properly and sit, and then say done, and then you unzoom. So when you unzoom, you click on the white page. Now the picture's there perfectly. Okay, here is the number. You click there, and then you started typing your number. You put your number. Okay, we made a little bit of a mistake here, right? So let's do it again. We click on the number there. Okay, yes, the number. Click on the number, we delete, and then you started +263 7127 10 340. You put in your country code first, and then you put the email here, Rodrigo ZW93. Please try to get a professional email. Okay, and then my address is this. I'm gonna write Bait Bridge, Zimbabwe, right? That's professional. And then also, you, for photographers and those people who got portfolios, right, this is where they come and put their portfolio. This is where you put your portfolio here, if you have it. Okay, right, thank you. So for me today, I'm not a photographer, even though I'm a photographer. This is where I come and put my portfolio. You come and put your website here, and you change the color of this to from white to blue. Okay, thank you. And then also education, you put your education here. You just come, click and copy, and put everything. Not copy, sort of, you come, click, and then you edit everything. Okay, let's click on the year. Okay, I attended my high school from 2013 to what? 2014, right? Yes. And then my mom on university, that's where you come and click again, and you put, I went to school at Chongogwe High School, right? And then what was that? You unzoom again, click on the white space, and then you click again. That was my high school what? Diploma. Okay, the same with other educations. That's what we do. You do the same thing. Okay, now we want to write here, right? So what we want to write on the names, then we might have a big name. So okay, we're gonna delete Sanjay's, delete, and then we click, and then we use the one that is in front to adjust, to put it more like this. Okay, then you click, and then you put like this, Rodrigo ZA. Okay, and then you put you unzoom again, you click the white space, and then you zoom again, and then you click again, and then you type waiter. Today I'm a waiter, guys, don't worry. So the same thing that you're gonna do even here on profile, right? You come and click, and then you do this, and then me, I already copy and pasted something, so I will come and paste here, right? If something overlaps here, if the letters overlaps to work experience, what you do is this, right, guys? Please get me correctly here. You click like this, and then you scroll, and then you choose the font size. If you reduce the font size from 10, if you reduce it from 10 to 8, it's gonna make it a little bit smaller to fit the profile. Maybe your profile is so big, which is okay, you adjusted everything. The same with experience, right? Let's say I was working at okay, let me say Grimaud Country Club, that's in Durban, right? So if you wanna put also the location, say Durban, South Africa, you can put it, and then also I'll unzoom and then click somewhere like here, and then I come back, and then I click here, and then I'll be able to edit everything here properly, bro. It's so easy. It's like slicing margarine with a hot knife. Click inside, then you type waiter, right? So now you start putting your whatsoever, your duties and responsibilities here, right? So since we have so many experiences here, what you're gonna do is like you have to remove the one in the middle. You delete, you click here, and then you delete, you click again, you delete, you also click there and you delete, and then you start writing. You come and click here, and then you just delete and started writing whatever you'll be writing, maybe this and that and all that and all that you have been doing, your duties and responsibilities. That's all. It's not that complicated, guys. It's so easy. If you feel like you made a mistake, there's a button that is on top here. This one, sort of a back button. That's the one you use to correct mistakes. Like right now I deleted everything, and then I see I'm making a mistake. I'm gonna just click there, and then it's gonna bring back everything back, right? The same on the reference part here. On the reference party, what you're gonna do is like you need to delete everything down there. You zoom, you bring it, make sure you bring this thing closer to you that you'll be able to see, and then you click everything, click again, delete everything. Just click all these columns, and then the last one, that's where you don't delete, and then you edit again and say available upon request. That's all, guys. And also for cruise ships, maybe people who speak German or French or Spanish, those are the people who can write languages, where others, all of us who don't do those kind of stuff, we just remove this column of languages. And then on the skills too, you put your skills as many as possible. Please make sure you research about cruise ship skills and all that. Like since what ChatGPT, it gave us everything, right? Professional experience, skills, fine dining. We're gonna even take this information and then use it to make our CV for the waiter. If you want me to do your CV, don't forget to WhatsApp me. This is my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is there on the CV. This is my WhatsApp number, guys. Don't forget, we're gonna make it for you at a good price. Don't worry, we got you. Plus 263712710 Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. If you need any help or anything, let me know. I'm also doing my stuff, so don't mind. I'm still learning to do YouTube, so if something is not proper, don't forget to comment, like, and also give me some ideas and tell me what also you need to know. Another day I'll upload on how to search for cruise ship agencies that are legit and that hire for everyone. Thank you. Peace. I'm out.